Hey folks, welcome to Cooking with Charles. All right, today we're going to talk about ice cream. I've been making homemade ice cream for years and years now. I started off with this book, Ben & Jerry's, can't go wrong with that. But now I mostly do a custard base, whereas this is about a sweet cream base. You guys can look that up. I won't bore you with the details about what is what. But I use a custard base most of the time, which is making like emulsifying the eggs into like the cream, the sugars, into an almost custard. But it's better for ice cream. Makes it richer, denser, to me more flavorful. Anyway, I posted something on my personal page about some ice cream I had made. I was experimenting with replacing sugar with honey, which came out okay, but I used too much honey. It made it more of a honey vanilla than a vanilla honey, So, but I fixed that. I also made a vanilla balsamic, which pretty darn good. I figured that one out too, but I'm not here to review those today. From that post, I got a suggestion from Wendy Ann McKeon. So this one's for you, Wendy Ann McKeon. She wanted to do a maple syrup bacon. And my other friend, Mike Baker, mad at you, was supposed to send me some New Hampshire grown pure maple syrup. He promised me this back at Christmas. And then 9 weeks ago, mentioned it in the post that you see here. Nothing. So I had to get some real maple syrup, but it's Canadian. It's not New Hampshire. It's not from Goffstown, New Hampshire. So it's not the best maple syrup in the world. And I also must say, I was a little, how's it gonna taste? The maple, yes, but the bacon, I really didn't think, I didn't know about that. But I did it anyway, Wendy, because you requested it. So, we're gonna first just check out maple. I use maple syrup instead of sugar. As you can see, I've already had some. And I was very pleased with this. It's a 1-for-1 swap out maple syrup to sugar. I think even next time I'll use a little bit less maple syrup because it is a little bit on the sweeter side. But it's actually just really good. I mean, first of all, any homemade ice cream, even crappy homemade ice cream is good, except a certain kind that we're going to get into later. That's going to be part of my Saffron Chronicles. All right. So, Wendy, thank you for this. But now, this is what you were waiting for. This is the same maple syrup custard base ice cream, but I did put candied bacon bits in it. I bought some pre-made, pre-cooked, 100% real bacon bits that were smoked, and I just put them in a little pan, added a little bit of brown sugar, and kind of candied them up. Let them freeze up again, and I added that. And I must tell you, this is surprisingly great. You got the sweetness of the maple, the smokiness, and it's the same as the other maple base we just tried. It was a little too sweet, but the bacon, the smokiness of the bacon takes away a little bit of sweetness, so it's just a great combination. Wendy, thank you for the idea. Guys, if you have anything you want me to cook, let me know, and I'll see if I can do it. And until then, thank you for watching. And remember, when you're cooking with Charles, you're cooking with good looking. All right, take care.